Now there are so many AI tools, and one of the most prominent ones is Google Gemini. Sometimes when you give a prompt in Google Gemini and ask something, you might not get very interesting results. But the thing is, it's often not Google Gemini's fault, it's yours, because you may not have given a good prompt. The key is, if you give a good prompt, you'll get much better results. So giving a proper prompt is really important. In this video, we'll talk about how to give good prompts in Google Gemini. For this, first open the Google Gemini app, and you can ask it any question. For example, if you want to ask anything, just go ahead. Say you want to know about the Magna Carta, you can simply ask, "Explain Magna Carta" or "Tell me about Magna Carta." You can ask Google Gemini like that. But here's the thing, you can add more detail, like "Explain Magna Carta like I'm 5 years old" or "like I'm 10. So if you know nothing about it, you can say that. "You're a beginner, explain this concept like I'm a complete beginner." Then the AI will start from the basics. And if you already know a lot, you can say something like you're talking to a postgraduate student or whatever fits, and after that the AI will assume you know the basics and go into more advanced stuff. So when asking a question, mention how much you already know. Sometimes you'll ask personalized questions. For example, if you have a company and want marketing tips and tricks, you can ask Google Gemini that. In that case, when giving your prompt, the important thing to keep in mind is that your prompt should contain 3 things. First, you should assign a role to Google Gemini. Then you should say what you want, and third, you should give the context. Here we want marketing tips, so you should tell Google Gemini, "You are a marketing expert with 10 years of experience" or something like that. So you've given it a role. After that, you need to say what you want, in our case, a marketing strategy, and you need to tell it that. Finally, give the context, and here you should include as many details as possible: what your company is, which product it makes, how many employees there are, which area you're focused on, what type of marketing strategy you want. Mention everything. If you give maximum details, you'll get a much better result. After that, click the send button and you'll get way better results. And here's another trick: if you're not good at prompting, you can ask Gemini to generate a prompt for you. For that, like I said before, give it one role. Here the role is you are a prompt engineer with 5 years of experience or something similar. And what we want is a good prompt, so second, mention "Give me a good prompt for a marketing strategy." And third, give the context. So like I said before, give maximum details about your company, everything you can, and once you've done that and click send, you'll get a really good prompt. Then go through that prompt. When you read it, you'll see so many details added that you hadn't even thought of before. So if anything needs correction, just fix it. After that, copy the prompt, paste it in a new chat, and when you click send, you'll get much better results. So from now on, when you're prompting Google Gemini, do it like this. This is how you can give good prompts in Google Gemini. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.